Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to build the Ikea Kullaberg desk. If you thought this video was helpful, don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. So first thing you want to do is take the tabletop, put it upside down, take these two long pieces, and you want to make sure that the open sides are in, and then take the six screws here, and you're going to put them, through the holes on each side to make these stand up. And then go ahead and tighten these into place. Once you've done that, take these metal pieces and stick them into the holes there on all four corners. And then go ahead and take the smaller sides with four of those screws, and note the masking tape on opposite sides. So you want to obviously switch those or flip them so they're opposite ends, and then put in the screws. Go ahead and tighten those. And then go ahead and put them into place. I found that actually doing the shorter side first is easier. And also note, you can see that I have it on backwards right now, so I need to flip them to the other side. So make sure that the pieces are pointing up like that. So once you do that, go ahead and take these four screws, and you want to connect those to the bottom of the legs. So here we go. Here's that piece. So go ahead and do that on all four legs. And then take the two masking tape sides, and you see how the first one, the hole was bigger and this one is smaller. So make sure you put that in that correct order, or else you won't be able to get the bottom bars in place. Take that screw with the nut, and then go ahead and put those into all four corners. Make sure that these are still loose, because you're going to need that flexibility for later. So see how it's still loose, and I'll show you why. Then go ahead and take the other two legs, and note that the one in the back is the bigger hole, and the one over here is a smaller one, and that way you can put the bottom bar in and connect that for later. Then take this screw here, and what you want to do is take the crossbars and note again the masking tape on opposite ends. So go ahead and pick the one you want to use, either the one in the back or the one in the middle, depending on how you're going to use it, and screw those in. So I'm doing it in the back because I'm using it as a desk. So now, if you notice, you put the bar in, and go ahead and use these four screws here, two on each side obviously, and screw those in. Make sure these are loose as well for now, that they're just started. So there's that one, there's the other one. And then notice that the crossbars are actually making like a cross, and the other side's obviously the same thing. So put the actual crossbars on, and you're going to need another, the other four screws, which you'll see in a second. So here's why you need the flexibility, so you can get this in. If you don't have that flexibility, you won't be able to get it in. So use the remaining these four screws, and screw in the four crossbars. So there you go, there's two. Obviously on the other side, same thing. And then after that, then you can screw in the four corners tight, and then also make the bottom bars tight as well. So there you go, make the bottom bars tight, and that's basically it. So all you need to do now is just flip it over on its other side, and you've got your completed desk. So if you thought this video was helpful, don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.